this little short video here, I'm going to be changing my stock WRX shift knob to this nice Sparco shift knob that I recently picked up. So pretty simple, straightforward. You just twist off your old shift knob, and it comes with these little rubber or plastic pieces. I'm not entirely sure what they do. You know, they just go on here like this, but that is how I will be installing it. If I am completely wrong about that, please let me know. And I will be placing the shift knob here. And since I do have to push up to go into reverse, I do want it so I can go completely up without having any issue. And it does come with these little, like these little things here. Screw into the side of the shift knob. You use a little Allen key and you just tighten them up. Now I don't want to go too much here. Just enough. All right. Give it a little tug and seems pretty good. Let's try it out. Yeah.